Looking to make a Christmas cookie that is simple yet incredibly delicious with only 4 ingredients? Mini Christmas cakes, let's go. These are the 4 ingredients you're gonna need. Fresh orange, vanilla wafer cookies, white chocolate triple berry jam. And we're gonna squeeze the juice out of the orange. Now you're gonna take that fresh squeezed orange juice and brush it on the top of your vanilla wafers. And then flip them and do the other side. And take a little bit of your berry jam, place it on the one vanilla wafer and put the other one on top. Get a third vanilla cookie, put a little bit of that on there and top it off. Make it a 3-layer mini cake. Adding our third layer, pow. Okay, now our little mini cakes have frozen. Let's get some white chocolate in the microwave, melt it slowly. Take one of our frozen mini cakes and drop it in. On with a few festive sprinkles. Give one a try. Wow, are those really good? You didn't say goodbye to bland food and hello to good food. Woo!